Welcome to a journey that will unlock the secrets of statistics and hypothesis testing. I'm Maria and I'm really thrilled to be your guide on this learning adventure. In this comprehensive course, we will delve into the fascinating world of statistics and hypothesis testing, starting from scratch. So whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this course is designed for you. Let's take a sneak peek into what you can expect. We will cover foundational concepts, walk through real-world examples, and build a solid understanding of statistical methods used in data science. Now, why should you enroll in this course? Well, the benefits are immense. You will gain a strong statistical foundation, crucial for any data scientist. The course is tailored for easy comprehension, with quizzes and assignments to reinforce your learning. Not only will you understand the how, but you will also grasp the why behind the statistical techniques. And this knowledge is the key to making informed decisions and extracting meaningful insights from data. Who is this course for? It's for anyone eager to master statistics for data science. So whether you are a student, a working professional, or a curious mind, you will find value in this course. And let's talk features. Our course is not just about lectures. We have carefully crafted quizzes and assignments to test your understanding. Plus, you will have lifetime access to the content, ensuring you can revisit and reinforce your learning whenever you need. And to keep you engaged, we have ensured the course is visually appealing. So complex concepts are broken down into digestible chunks, making your learning experience enjoyable and effective. So are you ready to take the next step in your data science journey? Click the Enroll Now button and join me in this exciting exploration of statistics and hypothesis testing. I look forward to being your mentor on this educational journey. See you inside.